Here I have HUAWEI Nova 10, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera. Then, when you're in camera, tap on this icon here in the corner. Tap next, agree, allow. Okay, get started. And now switch to the QR code scanner. So let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as my device spots QR code, it suggests me to open third-party apps. So you tap allow, and after that it will instantly open the page which has been encoded into this QR code in your default browser. And yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.